from young,
Yeah.
it is very important because this year have been so extra for us with Jan because we have gained more information about from him about, for instance, development, school development. In school development, you have learned, for instance, vision and mission for the school, for the sector, for the teachers, for the for promoting our education.
Yeah.
How we can know our mission in education strategy, how we can know our vision, and how is the difference from mission to vision, how we can organize ourselves, strategic plan.
And have those schools, have they made a mission and a vision?
Yes.
And can you maybe tell one mission or vision of a school which you really support? Because